Alright, so hello everyone. In this video, what I want to do is I want to do this following integral, the integral of x squared sine x dx, using integration by parts, okay? So, basically, we use the acronym LI8 to determine what u is. Now, one thing that we have to remember is the formula. So the integral of u u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v, say, du. Okay, so this is the integration. So let's see, integration by parts formula. And so basically what LI8 stands for, it stands for logarithm or logarithmic, inverse, algebraic, trigonometric, and exponential. So obviously, to know what u is, we have to follow, to see what we have so far. So we see that we have an algebraic term and a trigonometric term for our values, right? So we have, if we look closely, we have, second guys, sorry. So the reason why I also highlighted the dx blue is because in this case, we start with an algebraic term, or rather we have an algebraic term and then we have a trigonometric term. Actually, I did it wrong. The dx is supposed to be along with the x squared term. So really, u is going to be, or actually no, I did it correctly. My bad. So u is x squared, so this is u, and then this would be dv. Now we're going to follow the formula, so we have the integral again. It's going to be the integral of u dv equals u times v, right? So u times v minus the integral of v du. So du can be right here. So then that means that the integral, if we write it, the integral of, say, x squared and then sine x dx, right? So sine x dx is equal to, and we're going to do, so we have u is equal to x squared, and we have dv is sine x dx. So then that would mean that let's see here, that would mean that du is going to be 2x dx, and v is going to be the integral of sine x, which would be negative cosine x. So putting all of this together, we're going to say the integral of x squared sine x dx is going to be u, so it's going to be x squared, and then times v, so times our negative cosine x, and then minus the integral of negative cosine x times 2x dx, right? So times 2x dx, right? So then we can just write it down like this: x squared sine x dx equals negative x squared cosine x. And then notice that it's a minus a negative integral of negatives. So it's going to be plus the integral of 2x cosine x dx, okay? So notice that we still don't have a very clean integral that we can easily integrate, so we have to integrate it again. So use integration by parts again, but we have to do it for this part here, okay? So I'm going to rewrite it. So the integral of x squared sine x dx is equal to negative x squared cosine x plus, then it's the integral, and I'm going to do, so remember, light, so let me just rewrite what that means. Okay, so we have the integral, so it's going to be, just kind of move this a little bit over here. Going to be, so we have the integral of 2x cosine x dx. So that is going to be, so if we look at it, we can say that u can be 2x. So u, so let's see, it can be so u can be 2x, and then dv can be cosine x dx. So dv can be this part. So let me just rewrite it very quickly. So the integral of x squared sine x dx equals negative x squared cosine x plus integral of 2x. So we're going to do the integral of 2x cosine x dx. Okay, now we know that u is 2x, and we know that dv is cosine x dx. So then du can be 2 dx, right? Second. Alright guys, 1 second. So like I was saying, u can be 2x, dv can be cosine x dx. So that's going to make, so let's see here. We can say that du is 2 dx, and v can be, it would be actually, so it'd be sine x, because the derivative of v is cosine x. So, so then we're going to say that the integral of x squared sine x dx equals negative x squared cosine x plus, and then again we're going to use integration by parts. So it's going to be plus, and remember the integral of u, like I said, I'm going to keep saying it in this video. I'm going to keep saying the formula, so it's going to be u v, so the integral of u dv is uv minus the integral of v and then du. So we're gonna put that exact thing. So basically this part will equal this, okay? Like this whole thing, okay? So we're gonna say u, so plus 2x, and then times v, which we said v was sine x, and I'm gonna put brackets, so 2x sine x minus integral of sine x times 2 dx. Okay, so we get the integral of x squared sine x dx equals negative x squared cosine x plus, and then we're going to say 2x sine x minus 2 times the integral of sine x dx. Now we're going to say, so this kind of simplifies everything now. So we now can say the integral of x squared sine x dx equals negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x minus 2, and then the integral of sine x. So the integral of sine x dx is just negative cosine x. So we can say minus 2 times, and then this part is going to be negative cosine x. So that's what this is right here. And then just, using some algebra, cleaning it up. So the integral of x squared sine x dx is equal to negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x. And then negative 2 times negative cosine is just plus 2 cosine x. And don't forget the constant, so plus the constant of integration c. So this, guys, would be the final answer for this problem. I know that there are other people on like other teachers explain it more faster. I explain it at my own pace, in the way that I believe that if you explain it step by step, you, instead of just rushing through, you can, I feel like it's better explained that way. But that is how you do that problem, guys. If anybody has any questions, or any comments or concerns, or if you want me to do any other kind of topic, please let me know. Also, please like, comment, and or subscribe. And